You know what? I've been noticing since I've been on the, on the Facebook drink, a lot of cats got me twisted. Like, I've been getting some emails from my old neighborhood. Burlington Township, stand up, what up? But I've been getting some emails of cats think that, like, I can't rhyme no more or something. Do you know I rap my way in the radio? I'm good, nigga. I'm real good. I'm probably one of the best in the country to do this. Is you serious? I'm not in this because I'm cute. You know what? Let me show you something. Matter of fact, let me show you something real quick. Let me show you how you've been rapping since I was 11. Hold on. I'm gonna do it to Biggie too. I'm gonna get this off on the Biggie joint in honor of B.I.G. who just passed. Well, didn't just pass, but y'all know what I mean. Not his death. So y'all, look, fuck out of here with that bullshit clear. Finances like the blimp from having a good year. How you like them apples? You don't? Make cider. Take your girl, make her cervix a lot wider. Limpy, style is a gift from God. You the best on earth, cause I was on the shuttle to Mars. Navigating stars, so what? I'm in the cockpit with a Star Trek chick, and I'm getting my to the early morning yawn and bring beef to your grill harder than George Foreman. And you ain't a thug, you a state informant, full of shit like a Brook gas station toilet. I'm slick with the tongue. You think I oiled it? I'm so hot, you put an egg in it and boil it. Whoa, what these young niggas trying, bro? Take them weak lines like the lunch lines in school, you Disney. Get with me, I'm way out your ballpark like bitches hit by Kent Griffey. Fakes and snakes, some on them like Ricky Ticky, Tabby, dog. I used to run in your hood, I might be your daddy. Beat you badly, your face get smacked, man. With the mic, I eat niggas. I'm a racist black man. Bomb like Jack Band, mix with Jack Band. Execute like Jordan, pippin' the sacks in. I'm German rapping. Fourth. Translation, 5 seconds, whip your ass, punk. Now what your nags want with me, nothing. Push your wig back if your ass keep frontin'. I keep coming like herpes and anniversaries. Brooklyn birthed the best MC. Then I moved to South Jersey. Burlington Township, stand up, holler. You must be out your damn mind.